College bani fibro section part kane ke video ko bamta kane ke namta kitu ki ban sotho exam namta ka SSC GD te snap ha kane ke namta jongphi phya ban check namar lada phim check phin sadu tho exam namta kane kam sipai SSC GD exam kan na du ar phnyo tarik April terter hadu me tangba phya ban jit hi ya ka weeks preference hau banai au tarik ayu lane unde tarik ha katayu ayu phi kwa ban tho exam phya ban jit ya kata telek kumnota dengan pulis wana kane ka notice dan ngasa peni ngasa batai kendiat kumno ban check kita kumno ban le kita ma te kane ka notice namta kane ka exam ma all candidate who have registered bila ada register namta kane ka constable GD in Central Armed Police Force CAPF and SSF and Rifleman GD in Assam Rifle Examination 2026 are informed that above examination is being scheduled to be conducted from 27 April 27 April till end of May 2026 across various centers in the country. And in continuation of the commission effort, okay, under this facility candidate the examination period will be held over the following 4 windows. Kidon lagi windows. Tip subject lingba kini windows. Week 1 27 April to 2nd May. Subject hakatu pinjau kanok tarik tu makari hato week. Week 2, week 3, week 4. Week 4 kandai arpsan May hadu live home May arjat pendrew. Tip subject ikine mo week phi kwa exam haka tayo ka ba no week 1 week 2 week 3 week 4 khap select ka way ni kini tarik pede pinsa yo ini nakatuka tayo ka ba day kini tarik candidate shall be required to indicate their order of preference khap indicate all at for all the window based on their convenience preference khap I 1 2 3 kan option no te shubla phimyo ra ka week 1 phin ngat ka week 2 la phi preference first preference second preference kumtal ong in order of preference don hadu sau te khap I first jit ki kan show I first preference haka week 1 week 4 then khap I 1 katu then 2 to 3 ter khap jit na preference and the facility for submission of examination week preference will be made available to candidate from 15 hours nadu live baji menta kasni khatwai tarik hadu arjar adu san baje jong khasan tarik April arhajar arpendrew hadu khasan tarik April tang lai singi ma khatwai khatar khlai ksap san singi ta site yo ban pen beji gini te pihak ban le ma kan ma gitu bal apply kibam apply non kamera tang ibla ada apply da khwat exam jit iki tarik la da claim jit pinam yo exam kelas dari kre khasan tarik April san baje te mentang ada ban check kam long re mentaro tumang anspen EP kumno ban check kumno ma candidate are advised to visit the website of SSC for the update and instruction in this regard tengal ada ban login tengal ada check te phila kumno phi login chu hapo ko website ngam tu login jong phi anda phila login te phile kumno an chupen I yaki ayu la me ko homepage jong phi te ban check ka tu bade phi here chapo anda phla pli ka tu homepage jong phi te candidate lawan kertang candidate ke baro phi here chapo do kadon ka my application kan mawon pe tu my application klik na my application kandon katu ka application pa fill apply constable GD in Central Armed Police Force kandon katu so here apo do kadon select week preference kadon application status select week preference ban print tapi klik na ka select weeks preference te sajit preference piang tu tangba menta nang check mentam tahi kata khatwai tarik ki saw baje e ngashek kane te kanang tho bej self slotting has been closed te sa check ba kham chibit an sa update habai de kane te sakan mau wan long update habai de kane man check kapor ba khanang ba phinnam du to exam nam ta kane kam sipai SSC GD te tangkat ne sa update yang habai de kane resubun